Hello students, we have already discussed the three European explorers Bartolomeo Diaz, Ferdinand Magellan and Christopher Columbus. Today we will discuss the fourth European explorer is Vasco da Gama. Vasco da Gama was a famous Portuguese explorer and a navigator also. Here navigator means a person who plans the direction of a ship is the navigator. He was the first person to sail directly from Europe to India and discover a sea route to India in 1498 via Cape of Good Hope. He reached the Calicut on the Malvar coast of India. Today Calicut is named as Kozhikode. Then Vasco da Gama successful trip to India helped Western European trade with the East without using the dangerous caravan routes of the Middle East and Central Asia. Vasco da Gama made two more expeditions to India in 1502 and 1524. He died in Cochin on Christmas Eve. Cochin means Kochi. He died in Kochi on Christmas Eve. Next, the exercise. I. The Moluccas or the Maluku Island were earlier known as the Spice Island. The cape which was earlier known as the Cape of Storms is the Cape of Good Hope. A strait below South America discovered by Magellan later came to be known as the Strait of Magellan. The sailor who is created with the discovery of the New World, which is America, was Christopher Columbus. The place where Vasco da Gama reached in India was Calicut. Today's Calicut name is Kozhikode. Now, the second point. Choose the correct option. First question. Magellan set out to sail around the world in 1519. The first European to sail around the southern tip of Africa was Bartolomeo Diaz. Third, the first navigator to open the Americas to the European settlement was Christopher Columbus. Fourth question. In the year 1498, Vasco da Gama reached Calicut. Fifth, the Portuguese explorer who died in Cochin was Vasco da Gama. Next, answer the following questions. First question. What is meant by the age of exploration? The answer is the age of exploration means it was the period when the Europeans began exploring the world via sea travel in search of new trading routes, wealth and knowledge. The second question. How was the discovery of the Cape of Good Hope beneficial for the Europeans? The answer is the Cape of Good Hope is the opening of a new sea route. With this route, the Europeans could directly trade with East Africa, India, and other parts of Asia. Third question. Why did King John rename the Cape of Storms as the Cape of Good Hope? Answer is King John renamed the Cape of Storms as the Cape of Good Hope because it represented the opening of a new route to the east. Then the fourth question. How did Vasco da Gama's successful trip to India help Western European? Answer is Vasco da Gama's successful trip to India helped Western European trade with the East without using dangerous caravan routes of the Middle East and Central Asia. Then the fifth question. Why did Columbus get the credit for discovering America? Columbus got the credit that discovering America because he exposed the coastal of Central America and a part of northern coasts of South America.